this is how we jive mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to download any game to your iMac, MacBook Pro or any other version of Apple computer. Very simple tutorial, guys. Click here Apple logo, you see third option, App Store. This is one way. Also in Launchpad you can check App Store what it is. You see in Launchpad you can check also App Store. I hit this one. App Store, when you go, sometime they may ask you your password. You have to put your password. Then you see a cards here. So you have different games here. Strategy, puzzle, casual, family, the Apple, Jet, Dragon or other game. Let's see if we find Angry Birds here. Angry Bird Reload. Here we go. See, Angry Bird Reload, try it free. I hit this one. 1 month free, then $4.99. I don't want this. Angry Bird download totally free. Let's see. Angry Bird Family, this one is totally free. Hit this one, install. See, they ask you a password, you have to put that. Hit get button. It's loading. It's done. You can open from here or close this one. You have Launchpad here. Hit this one. You see Angry Birds. Here we go, Angry Birds Blocks 2. I hit this one. Click skin to start new game, part 1, player 1, level 1, continue the game. I don't know what to do with this. Reset level. So this is the way you can download any game to your iMac, MacBook Pro, any other version. Very simple tutorial, guys. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, boy.